When I guess what I'm saying, sakala dura bura. Psych, I like dura bura. What is dura bura? Ura kura. Bye. I am a candy bar.
It means what it means.
Ooh.
There's nothing you can do about it.
There's nothing you can do about it. I'm a teacher. Mansions. So today we got some parrots here. It's our aunt's parrots, and look at they're so cute. So first there's a jacuzzi here. Then is the jacuzzi, and I think they're just fighting together. And this, they eat just a little bit of it, and it keeps them healthy. And this is a water thing, and they can like and there's a pop swing here, and it can like if whenever they jump on it starts moving. That's why it's very sensitive. This is our stuff. So there are some seeds. This is called basil, and I can't decide which one to put in. We're gonna put basil in here, and next one is this thing. Oh no, that's basil. Next is this thingy. Pack. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna plant that as well. We're gonna be showing you how to plant a plant. So, first take this thing. Now can you hold that for me? And then take this. So guys, I was just doing this, and then my sister was scared of when I didn't even notice, but she was scared of that. And please remember guys, always use scissors with the parent, or you might get hurt and your finger can break, because these things are made out of metal. So let's plan a plan now. So first we're gonna take this scissor, with it. Put it some more. So it's done. So you might not see the seeds. And now this is the water. Make sure not to put that much water that it dies, because us humans need lots of water. But imagine a giant drinks this, and a giant can need like, it's a little bit for him, like that. So this is how much water you should put in there. And now we're gonna wait it to grow.